Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you once again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Oh, God. Ugh. Look at that. It's small. It's not a cup. It's a mini. This is Chikin Ramen donburi, which is just basically like a little bowl. And like by little, I mean it's little. See? Same amount of time, much less water, only 200 milligrams or milliliters rather of water. And it has one of these. And you might be like, what the heck is that? It's a freeze-dried block. And it's got seasoning and vegetable. I'm guessing it's egg, chicken, and leek, something like that. Here is the noodle block, and if you're familiar with Chikin Ramen, you'll know that Chikin Ramen is the original instant noodle that ever came out. I mean, the first that ever came out in 1958, and it's really good stuff. It's basically the instant noodle I first tried ever, which is fitting because it was the first one that ever existed. So, anyways, let's drop our water on. Right on top of that thing. It's funny too, because if you look at this, it like pretty much just like explodes. But I don't know if you can see it so well there. But here, let's take this, set it right here, do this. Timer is started. So what's going on? Why am I moaning and groaning? So first off, I did the longest walk we'd done yet yesterday morning, which really was no big deal. And then just had a regular rest of the day until my wife got off of work and I was like, hey, let's go to the mall and walk around. So we went to the mall and walked around. My regular goal is 7,000 steps. I got like 11,060 and it said I had like 96 active minutes and climbed 30 flights of stairs or something like. Dude, my knees are freaking killing right now. It's horrible. And, God, what else? Not a whole heck of a lot. My 5th day in a row with getting just under 5 hours of sleep. And it's really not, at least it's, the little monkeys that are on the walls everywhere, they say it's okay, so. Light hallucination. No. No, nothing like that. But yeah. And I've got like this funky cold thing that just won't let up, and it's actually starting to really annoy me. But hopefully I just kicked its butt by doing all that exercise, so that's what I'm hoping. I don't know, now I'm like kind of addicted to it. I wouldn't call myself a health nut. I mean, I do still review instant noodles, but I'm enjoying it, which is not typical me thing, but I figured what the hey, right? Can't beat that. No. Don't do that. But Monday and Tuesday next week are the last 2 days before Christmas break. I'm doing 3 reviews a day, and I guess that'll be 3 reviews Monday, 3 reviews Tuesday. And that's kind of gonna be it for a little while for me. Luckily, I'm like, what is it for you? Like January 4th or 5th or something? It's like 2 extra reviews a day, bumping the count up. That's not bad. Okay. What have we here? You. Alright. don't know that I'm gonna do a whole heck of a lot. You can even see that. Not, well, kinda. Yeah, you stay like that, that's perfect. Alright, so that's done. Let's see how the broth tastes. Now the seasoning for the broth is actually imbued into the noodle. Yeah. It's like this nice sesame chicken flavor. Just brings me back to my initial existence days when I was younger. Not young, younger. Alright. So if you look, you can see little wispy things in here. Like here, I'm gonna guess this right here. Maybe not. I was gonna guess. Let's just have a taste of the noodle, which I'm 99.9% sure is gonna be exactly what I expect. Mmm. Yeah. Why are you guys hiding? I can't see it. Well, there's little bits of like chicken and egg. Here's a piece of egg if it wants to cooperate. Now there's a piece of egg. Yep. It's just a small version of the bigger bowl. But it's good. It's basic and it's really good. I've enjoyed it for years. And as far as an add-on, done pretty much. I don't know. I could put some sesame seeds on it if you want. Would you like that? Would that make you happy? I stayed around to watch them like garnish noodles, and all I did was put some frick green onions on it. Here you go. There. Classy. So yeah, booyah. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. By the way, this was in a Zen Pop box. In the outro, I'll show you the box, the unboxing of that. So, alright, have a good one. Bye.